Hi everyone, I'm Emmanuel Vendette, your editor-in-chief of Multihulls World. Today we are about the Windelo 54, which is a really new catamaran, an electric one. It's just the end of the International Multihulls show at La Grande Motte, south of France. So now it's time for sea trial.
Hello Multihulls World, I'm Stefan. We're very pleased to have you on board the Windelo today, and I head up sales and services. So we're on board the Windelo 54 Yachting today. This boat was introduced as a world premiere in La Grande Motte Multihulls show. Very well received by the public. We've had lots of praise. True to the brand of Windelo and our DNA, so the boat is eco-advanced, both in terms of its structure, made of basalt fibre and PET recycled foam for a large part, but also in terms of the technologies on board. So we have electric engines and lots of green energy, so hydro generation from the engines, solar panels, huge array of solar panels available, such that the boat is autonomous in terms of energy under absolutely normal use of all the equipment on board. Of course, we're in the performance segment of the market in terms of the catamarans. This boat was traveling down here at 17 knots, in excess of 17 knots of boat speed yesterday. Obviously different conditions than today, but we've also been moving in very light winds today. And what we have here with Windelo is an exceptional ratio between the space and the comfort on board and this performance DNA.